Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 15th of October, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 1st of October, 2025, our system has ranked Advanced Micro Devices as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 6.5. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 45.48%. Since we first identified Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate just 11 days ago, this translates to an average return of 4.13% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock has broken through a wide and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. For any potential retracement, there will now be support at the ceiling of the current trend, which was previously broken at $204.42. This level may provide a second opportunity to capitalize on upward movement. According to fan theory, $244.98 will be the next potential peak level, representing a resistance point that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 16.59% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 19.92% and negative 0.106%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 24.31%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 46.47% to 24.31% over the next year. In practical terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $127.73 and $296.60. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline, "A very strong day for Advanced Micro Devices stock price on Wednesday." The Advanced Micro Devices stock price gained 9.4% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 15th of October, 2025, rising from $218.09 to $238.60. The stock has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be intriguing to see whether it continues to gain or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 8.36%, with a low of $220.78 and a high of $239.24. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 45.48% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has also increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 36 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 107 million shares changed hands for approximately $25.53 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $240.10, while the lowest was $76.48. Currently, the price is 0.62%, or $1.50 below the 52-week high of $240.10, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Advanced Micro Devices experienced a notable increase today, rising by approximately 9.4% as the market responded positively to new developments in artificial intelligence and clearer insights into graphics processing unit demand. A series of recent agreements, notably a substantial multi-gigawatt commitment to AI infrastructure, has prompted analysts to raise their targets and enhance expectations. This has improved revenue visibility extending into the year 2027 and beyond. Such optimism, alongside a general rally in the semiconductor sector and a more favorable interest rate outlook, has led to significant buying and momentum as the market closed. In the short term, news like this tends to create volatile upward movements, upgrades and prominent deals attract investment flows, boost sentiment, and can reduce short interest, supporting further short-term gains. Over the long term, consistent revenue from data center GPU contracts could significantly enhance AMD's top-line growth and profit margins, justify higher valuations, and enable it to capture market share from established competitors. However, challenges such as execution risks, high capital intensity, vendor financing concerns, and intense competition continue to pose significant constraints. Investors should carefully consider the clearer revenue prospects from AI against the associated valuation and execution risks when determining their investment positions. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 15th of October 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned AMD an outperform rating along with a hold action. On the same day, HSBC also rated AMD with a buy grade while maintaining a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of October 2025, Deutsche Bank reported a hold rating for AMD, accompanied by a hold action. On that same Tuesday, Wolfe Research rated AMD as outperform with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 13th of October 2025, KGI Securities provided AMD with an outperform rating and an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned Advanced Micro Devices stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. The chart today shows predominantly positive signals. The stock of Advanced Micro Devices is receiving buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which suggests a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support levels are expected at $224 and $174.52. If the stock falls below either of these levels, sell signals will be triggered. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 5th of September, 2025, and thus far, the stock has increased by 57.87%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Additionally, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical signal. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, a buy signal. Pivots, a buy signal from 29 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal from 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, a sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal from 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, a buy signal from 10 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, a buy signal from 18 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal from 110 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, a buy signal from 99 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. Advanced Micro Devices finds support from accumulated volume at $235.56. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock tends to experience significant movements throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $18.47 between its high and low, representing an increase of 8.36%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 6.27%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it is not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 4th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.17. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine the appropriate time to exit. On the downside, Advanced Micro Devices encounters its first support level at $235.56. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for advanced micro devices from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On the 6th of October, in the year 2025, Han Ava executed an insider sale of 2,868 shares of common stock. On the 24th of September, in the year 2025, Norad Forest Eugene conducted an insider sale of 2,250 shares of common stock. On the 15th of September, in the year 2025, Papermaster Mark D performed an insider purchase of 16,800 shares of common stock. On the 15th of September, in the year 2025, Papermaster Mark D also conducted an insider sale of 13,624 shares of common stock. On the 15th of September in the year 2025, Papermaster Mark D conducted another insider sale of 3,176 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive with a ratio of 7.546. In total, insiders purchased 1,194,678 shares and sold 1,021,153 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $230.44, representing a decrease of 3.42%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which contributes to an elevated level of risk. The relative strength index over 14 days is 79, significantly increasing the risk factor. However, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 28 days ago. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive, and the stock has broken the rising trend upward, indicating a potentially stronger rate of increase. We conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Advanced Micro Devices stock to perform well in the short term. Our analysis has upgraded the stock from a buy to a strong buy candidate since the last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 16th of October, we expect Advanced Micro Devices to open lower by $5.73 and begin trading at $232.87. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.